Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add 3 bullet point on the same line in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Google Docs app, then go to the insert menu, go to the table and insert 3 tables side by side. Now I am write something. Then select the text, go to the bullet point and insert, click bullet point. Now increase the font size, then press shift on your keyboard and select all border and cell on the then go to the border color menu, drop down menu and click white color. Now here you can see add 3 bullet point on the same line in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.